A direct vote on a law in which the entire electorate can participate is known as referendum, public opinion, initiative, veto. The correct answer is referendum. Which act is considered the watchdog of democracy? The Right to Property Act, the Right to Life Act, the Right to Information Act, none of these. The correct answer is the Right to Information Act. According to Marx, the dictatorship of the proletariat significances a transitional state, an ideal state, an autocratic state, a liberal state. The correct answer is A, a transitional state. Who wrote the book Comparative Politics, a Development Approach? The correct answer is Almond and Powell. Who wrote over himself, over his own body and mind, the individual is sovereign? The correct answer is D, J.S. Mill. According to Aristotle, democracy is a genuine form of government, same as oligarchy, a perverted form of government, same as polity. The correct answer is C, a perverted form of government. The term log denotes something which lies fixed, something strong, something legal, something changeable. The correct answer is something which lies fixed. Power is the capacity to pursue, hold sovereignty, produce intended effects, exercise authority. The correct answer is produced intended effects. Who wrote the book Work, a preface to democratic theory? Dahl, Marx, Lenin, Macquarie. The correct answer is Dahl. The most essential principle of liberalism is equality, social justice, democracy, freedom. The correct answer is freedom. Who said politics is about who gets what, when, and how? A, Laswell, Almond, Aston, Verba. The correct answer is Laswell. Who introduced the concept of negative and positive rights? Andrew Haywood, Lasky, John Locke, Barker. The correct answer is A, Andrew Haywood. Equality of opportunity means? The correct answer is everybody finishes the same start in life. Participatory democracy calls for? The correct answer is greater and active engagement of citizens in government. The advocates of deliberative democracy emphasize? The correct answer is popular participation. The Communist Manifesto was first published in Russia, England, German, French. The correct answer is German. According to David S. Stone, the main function of government is to? The correct answer is allocate authoritatively values for a whole society. The term politics was derived from two words, polis and polity. In which language? Greek, Latin, English, French. The correct answer is Greek. Who defined politics as the authoritative allocation of values that are binding on the society? John Locke, J.S. Mill, David Stone, Almond. The correct answer is David S. Stone. Who contributed the work, the politics? Aristotle, Plato, Socrates, Machiavelli. The correct answer is Aristotle. The development of political science as a discipline can be traced back to? Correct answer is 4th century BC. Who wrote the book Four Essays on Liberty? The correct answer is Isa Berlin. Historical materialism is one of the tools in? Behavioralism, utilitarianism, Marxism, post-behavioralism. The correct answer is Marxism, whose work is Lectures on Jurisprudence. Gilchrist, John Aston, A.V. Deci, Garner. The correct answer is John Aston. Who wrote the work Representative Government? Lowell, T.H. Green, J.S. Mill, Lasky. The correct answer is J.S. Mill.